Lamborghini's history is founded on the story of a dream turning to reality. The dream of their founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini, was to make the perfect car. Today, Grange are proud to have been chosen to represent the Lamborghini marque, bringing you all the latest, most coveted, most exhilarating super sports car in the world. Ferruccio Lamborghini was born in 1916, a capable, strong-willed, impetuous Taurus. He was the leading character in the foundation of the Lamborghini Automobili company and the early years of its enchanting history. In the early 60s, Ferruccio Lamborghini was a powerful and successful man, characteristics that are mirrored in all. In 1967, the company took an extraordinary line up to the Italian auto show. Each and every model was truly impressive, and featured only the best equipment and showcased expert engineering. The golden duo of the 400 GT 22 Coupe and the Miura became the IT cars in every automobile magazines, which also led to an influx of orders for the Miura, giving a pump of cash flow into. Another change of hands was made official on January 21, 1994, which shook up the company's management. In spite of the challenges, the Diablo was developed, followed by several collateral models which proved very popular with certain consumer ranges. Other special editions, such as the SE, Hoda, Monterey, Alpine and many others, were derived from these models.